In a world where all classes start to look and feel the same way, one stands out, one that gives you both a voice and a chance. JROTC is a great way to learn leadership and encourages cadets to become greater individuals. JROTC offers periods 0 through 6, with 0 period being more heavy on activities and periods 1 through 6 being more academic heavy. If you want the full experience, you can take both 0 period and one of the 1 through 6 periods. Regardless of what class period you're enrolled in, you will still gain the knowledge and skills it takes to become a leader. JROTC carries no military obligation. JROTC has extra activities you can participate in after school, which allows you to develop more skill and a chance to compete with schools. It also fills in A through G requirements for the category of G. On top of all this, it will provide a chance to complete your community service hour. Why miss an opportunity to not join a class that offers all of these different activities and opportunities?